Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the red needle in Crimson Desert. First things first, head on to this part of the map. This is in the east side of the map. Now, if you haven't unlocked this location, line up the map cursor just like this. Use these two spots as a guide to get the exact location. Now, behind is the Sanctum of Oblation. What you'll want to do is head to the Sanctum and make your way to this entrance tunnel on the left. Once you're in, we need to open this gate right here. Turn right, then immediately left.
It's not time yet. May humility
Then
be
turn
our
left right
wisdom.
here, then down to the stairs. All you need to do is light the lamppost in this room. Now head back to where we came from and you'll find the gate open with the treasure inside containing the red needle. This is an amazing one-handed weapon with 19 attack, critical rate level 2, and attack speed level 1. It has a cool design and it's already on its 4th level of reinforcement. And that is how to get the red needle in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.